Imagine opening your refrigerator door and being met with immediate clutter. We're talking about leaking bowls of leftover curry and half-cut vegetables hastily wrapped in crumpled foil, scattered wherever there happens to be a free inch of space. This creates a frustrating spatial failure. You place tonight's dinner on a shelf, unforgiving rule of kitchen management. If an item cannot be immediately seen, it cannot be tracked. Look at this time-lapse of a piece of fruit rapidly shriveling and losing its color. This is the direct economic consequence of that missing visibility. Every week, expensive groceries go bad before you even remember they exist, creating a relentless cycle of throwing your money straight into the trash. You can spend hours wiping down the shelves and rearranging the clutter, but it never provides a lasting fix. The mess always returns because the underlying storage system itself is broken. Standardizing your storage hardware effectively removes the burden of tracking expiration dates manually. The first variable we have to control to fix this system is environmental exposure. Inside the fridge cavity, uncontrolled oxygen and cold circulating air constantly attack your fresh produce. This cross-section diagram shows exactly how to stop that exposure. Notice how the highlighted locking lid mechanism physically blocks those external air currents from entering. This creates a tight mechanical barrier against biological degradation. With that barrier in place, look at the stabilized humidity metric inside the sealed container, even while the external conditions fluctuate wildly. This controlled environment is why leafy greens maintain their crisp snap for weeks, and delicate fruits avoid turning into a soggy mess. The exact same barrier also works in reverse. Potent ingredients like chopped onions are locked in, preventing their strong odors from seeping out and contaminating the flavor of everything else on the shelf. Then there is the matter of liquid security. You can store heavy volumes of homemade sauces and soups with complete confidence, knowing there is zero risk of structural spills or slow leaks. By sealing out the harsh environment and locking in the moisture, Airtight mechanics transform a refrigerator from a passive cold storage box into an active preservation system. They buy you vital time to actually consume what you purchase. But preservation is only half the equation. We also have to fix the physical organization of the fridge by taking advantage of vertical spatial geometry. This animated wireframe of a fridge shelf illustrates the problem perfectly. When you replace a chaotic jumble of mismatched, irregular shapes with uniform, stackable designs, they instantly snap into an optimized grid. This mathematically maximizes the efficiency of every available inch. As the diagram highlights downward-facing visual pathways penetrating those transparent top layers, we see the immediate solution to the vacuum of visibility. Clear materials allow for a split-second visual inventory without ever opening a lid. To maintain this grid over time, you need premium material integrity. Thick, BPA-free plastic is required to endure the daily impacts of a busy kitchen, surviving accidental drops onto tile floors while holding up against heavy dishwasher and microwave use. Cheap budget plastics fail rapidly under the exact same conditions. Their thin lids lose their seal after a few washes. They leak the moment they get tilted sideways, and they absorb permanent, unhygienic stains from spicy foods. When your containers warp and leak, they inevitably replicate the exact chaos you were trying to escape. That durable premium material integrity is the dividing line between a failing fridge and a highly functioning system. These containers serve as active components in a household management system. The fully optimized system yields a modern, spotless interior. It is defined by locked-in freshness and a perfectly stacked grid-like organization where every item has a dedicated, visible place. When you combine that clear visibility with reliable preservation, you see an immediate, measurable drop in your weekly food waste. Ingredients survive exactly as they are until you are ready to cook them. This yields serious secondary benefits. Financial savings compound week after week, while having pre-portioned, identifiable ingredients eliminates the friction and stress of daily meal prep. The refrigerator sits at the center of your kitchen workflow. When it is tightly organized, it acts as an anchor, encouraging a cleaner and much healthier cooking environment overall. Upgrading to durable, airtight storage containers offers a practical, long-term solution for maintaining kitchen efficiency.